You have been given a molecular model kit. Almost everything you observe every day is made out of molecules, and molecules are made out of atoms. So we are going to take out the atom models. So these are the atoms, and these are atoms. Okay, even though they look a little bit different than these others. These are all atoms, and we're going to connect them together, or we're going to bond them together using these sticks right here. Okay, these sticks will be used eventually when we make something called double bonds. So these can simply stay in the package until later. You need to know that the different colors represent different atoms. The black ones represent carbon, and these white ones represent hydrogens. And then we have several other colors in the additional bag. If you want to know what they are, you have been given a key. I will go over them, but you do have a key. It says the color right here. So I will zoom in. So it provides the color, and then it tells you that white atom name is hydrogen. So you can see that right here in the column. Color, white, atom name, hydrogen. Color, black, atom name, carbon. It says C, that's carbon. Blue, nitrogen, red is oxygen, and green is chlorine. So I'm going to spell out the whole word, and maybe you can take a snapshot or just make note of it so you know what color represents what atom. So there you have it. White is hydrogen, black is carbon, blue is nitrogen, red is oxygen, green is chlorine, and then we have bonds. Take a snapshot, jot that down, and now let's figure out how we can actually make a molecule out of these atoms and the bonding pieces. Water should be familiar to you. Water's chemical formula is H2O. A cup of water is made out of many, many, many H2O molecules. Your task is to make one H2O molecule. You will need 2 hydrogens. Those were the white ones. And 1, there's no number there, so it's an understood 1 oxygen. So if you'll recall, hydrogen are the little white beads, and they roll around, and oxygen was red. Okay, you are going to bond them together carefully using the little white bonding sticks. So there's only one place for hydrogen. There we go. And now if I put the other hydrogen there, that wouldn't make any sense. I need to connect it to the oxygen gently. Don't be too aggressive. They fit in nicely. They snap together. And now you'll need another stick to attach the additional second hydrogen. Voila. H2O. And that is how you use the models. Now, you must be very careful taking these apart because you do not want them to break. So you simply pull them apart. Pull, and they should come apart. If it doesn't, do not pull down or snap it. You simply ask for help, and we will help you pull them apart so nothing gets broken or stuck. Both of these molecules have the correct number of atoms, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. This is the correct arrangement. This, although the numbers of atoms are right, there's 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, this is not good. Be sure to look at your earlier examples from the lesson, from the IC 2020 interactive chemistry to figure out if your model shows the correct arrangement and correct number of atoms.